Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is Telegram Marketing Tutorial, How to Place Ads on Channels and Bots. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there, before we get into today's topic, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to turn on the notifications, they're very important. Communication is changing and becoming more and more digitized. Now we have a great choice of various messengers and social media instruments, each with its special features and advantages. However, it's Telegram that breaks all the records and attracts the attention of subscribers all over the world. Only for the last year, Telegram broke the mark of over 500 million active users, according to Pavel Durov's statistics. Pavel Durov was the founder of the app and shared this data on his channel. Telegram is a free cross-platform messaging service founded by Pavel in 2013. It offers one of the most secure messaging platforms. It uses end-to-end encryption and self-destruction protocols to keep your privacy intact. The messenger is constantly developing and getting new features, evolving from a simple tool for message exchange to an autonomic, multifunctional platform. We can not just instantly exchange messages, even with low quality internet connection, but also exchange files in different formats, including photos, videos, or large text formats. Since its release, the app has seen a number of innovations: free stickers, the option to create bots, channels, groups, edit and permanently delete messages, group calls, and using the app as an unlimited storage space for your files. Also, you can find literally any information on various topics here: news, business, education, recipes, memes, etc. But did you know that Telegram is also a game changer for business advertising? Telegram is one of the best instruments to promote your brand and showcase the product. For this purpose, you can use the specific features of the app, such as bots and channels. Telegram channels allow you to share contact and send messages and advertisements to large groups. You can create a channel, fill it with content, purchase ads from other channels, and increase the number of followers. When your channel gets 500 followers, you can sell ad posts on your own channel and get your money back. The cost of the ad is determined by the coverage size per day and average CPM, cost per mille, in the chosen topic. Telegram bots. Bots are special accounts in Telegram that allow automatic processing and sending of messages. Users interact with bots through messages, commands, in private or group chats. Telegram gives you the opportunity to create and automate bots of any complexity. You can order from a programmer or make them on your own. They are bridges between you and your audience. What a Telegram bot does: sends news and weather forecasts, makes translations, shares books and film selections, provides educational courses. You can even create bots with games and social services. You can make a profit with bots in two ways: charges for bots, content and services, advertising within the bots. How are these features beneficial for businesses? With comparatively low cost, you can get broader reach. Telegram channels have no limit for the subscribers. The audience is international. Your product enters international markets. The audience in theme channels is highly engaged with the topic. They are definitely follow news and updates. This will give notice to your ad and you have an effective ad campaign. You can start building a brand loyal community or connect with people from your niche and use affiliate programs. To start launching effective ad campaigns and attract new audiences, I recommend advertising platform Telega.io. It's a marketing platform that contains a rich catalogue of theme channels, bots and advertising analytics. Telega.io connects the owners of different Telegram channels and advertisers who want to reach new customers and promote their brand. Ad exchange is an easy and fast way to find your target audience and improve your marketing strategy. Telega.io has been working since 2016 and has a quality catalogue of manually selected channels and bots. How to use Telega.io to launch an effective marketing campaign for your business. 1. Sign up. 2. After you transferred on your personal page, start checking the catalogue of channels and bots of different topics and look at the hot deals section with discounts. 3. You can choose different bots and channels from the catalogue suitable for your business and ad campaign. 4. After making a choice, you'll be transferred to the order page where you can check everything, change the order or make a purchase. Telega.io offers different ways to top up your balance: card, web money, Quivi, bank transfers, PayPal, cryptocurrency. Users can add their own channels to Telega.io's catalog. Go to My Channels and Bots and click Add Channel. You can withdraw the earned money in a convenient way to bank transfer or PayPal. Fill out all the fields about your channel or bot in detail. As soon as a moderator checks the info, you'll receive feedback to your email. Conclusion. Using the service Telega.io is the quickest way to achieve your marketing goals. You choose working with the experts with 6 years of experience and 6,020 successfully completed orders. You get an access to the Exchange catalogue of 2,203 trustworthy channels instead of manual search on Google. A quick launch of the ad campaign in 15 minutes. You get transparent analytics. You have a personal manager always ready to support you, manage and lead your campaigns. The Exchange offers various secure ways to top up your balance. You can choose the most convenient for you. You are notified of every advertising placement. You do not need to create an ad yourself. Telega.io offers ready-to-use packages. Performance is guaranteed. We are sure that with Telega.io Ad Exchange, you will achieve great results and will not waste the budget. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you found this useful, please give me a like. Click on one of the 2 thumbnails to watch another video. Click on the link in the description to start your ad campaign with Telega.io. Thanks. Until the next time, bye-bye. And if you haven't subscribed,